In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autoplay video in a Canva website. The short answer is that you can't force an embedded YouTube video to autoplay on a Canva website, and I'll explain exactly why, then show you the correct way to embed your video so visitors can easily press play. First, let's set expectations. Canva puts embedded videos inside an iframe and does not expose playback controls like autoplay, mute, or loop. That means you can't add parameters such as autoplay 1 to a YouTube link within Canva's embed tools. Even if you're familiar with HTML or custom code, Canva's website builder doesn't allow you to modify those attributes for embedded videos, so there's no supported switch to flip. On top of Canva's limitation, modern web browsers have strict autoplay policies. Most block videos with sound from playing automatically until the user interacts with the page. These policies exist to protect the browsing experience and reduce intrusive behavior, so even if Canva let you add autoplay code, the browser would likely stop it from starting with sound. That's why you'll often see sites require a click or a tap before a video begins. So what should you do instead? Embed the video the standard way in Canva. Open your Canva design for your website, go to Apps, select Embed, and paste your YouTube link. Canva will place the video on your page using its built-in player. When visitors land on your site, they'll see the player and can click the play button to start watching. This is the intended flow in Canva, and it aligns with common browser behavior. A couple of notes for a smooth viewer experience. Because the video won't start on its own, make sure your page clearly communicates what the video is about. A concise title and a short description nearby can provide context so people know it's worth clicking. Position the video prominently to reduce friction, and consider the first frame or thumbnail shown by YouTube. An appealing opening image encourages engagement. Also, remember that many viewers watch with limited sound, so adding captions on the YouTube side can help accessibility and comprehension once they press play. To recap, Canva doesn't provide an autoplay control for embedded YouTube videos, and browsers generally block autoplay with sound anyway. The reliable approach is to use Canva's Embed app, paste your YouTube link, and let visitors press play when they're ready. Keep the presentation clear, make the purpose obvious, and you'll get the best results within Canva's supported features.